Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw crypto from your Hamster Kombat to your wallet. So first of all, you want to go ahead and open up a Hamster Kombat and be on this page. After that, at the corner, at the bottom, at the right corner, you will see airdrop option. You want to go ahead and click on it. And now, as you can see on the tasks list is connect your Ton wallet here. So if you don't already have a Tonkeeper wallet, you want to go ahead and create one. I already have one. So once you will create it, you're going to click connect your Ton wallet and you will see that you need to go ahead and create one. Click connect. And here is some options. So I'm just going to choose Tonkeeper. And just like so, you will want to connect your Tonkeeper application. On your Tonkeeper application, basically, you will see this. You're going to click connect. Now it will load up a little bit. You will need to wait. Now, as you can see, my Ton wallet is already connected. Now I can go ahead and close this. Now, to withdraw your coins, you will be able after airdrop. So now it's not available yet, but you have to wait until some other platforms like Binance and some other exchanges will accept Hamster Kombat. So basically, we need to wait for airdrop. You need to wait a little bit and you will be able to withdraw it. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.